Aš noriu muziką paleisti. A tu nenori tos muzikos visai. Oi. Labas tu. Tai jūs norėjai šiandien virš šitos avienos keptos. Tai gerai padarysim.
Hello and welcome. Mo played the bowl at the beginning of the video by hitting the bowl with a spoon and called it music. Yeah, she did that. Anyway, we'll start by poking the meat with a knife. This helps marinate to reach the deep depths of the meat. By the way, here we have 1.2 kilos or 2.6 pounds of lamb leg. Season it with salt and pepper. Rub about 5 tablespoons of mustard to the meat. Don't forget the cuts you had made. Then add 10 cloves of chopped garlic. Leave it to marinate for about 2 hours or more. Put it in the baking tray and cover it with some olive oil. Then put the meat into the preheated oven at 200°C or 390°F for about 2 hours to make it well done. Cook it for a shorter period if you prefer it on the rare side. Mo's getting her beautiful piece. If you're wondering where these potatoes came from, we had only added them 15 minutes ago to reheat them.
Nu, skanu, minkšta, mėsytė, minkšta. Ačiū. Iki malonaus. Iki sekančio karto.
Anyway, thanks for watching and until next time. Goodbye. Cheers.